Hi, I'm Mama Giuliana. My tips today is how to make garlic more digestible. So what we need, of course, is garlic, milk for one tip, a bowl for another advice. So now we start and we take the garlic clove. You peel. You know, the part of the garlic which is, can you give a problem, but it's less digestible, is the inside, which is the internal sprout of garlic. So you cut in half the garlic, and you will see that inside there is the sprout. Now it's very green because it starts to grow. Maybe you have less, but anyway, this is what you have to take out. You take out like this. You see? So the sprout is out, and you have just the garlic. Now you can cut small. You can have all the garlic or just leave like this, as you like. Then this garlic, if you don't like to eat, but just you want to give a taste to the garlic, you can take a bowl or a serving plate and you rub all around. When you cut in half the garlic, the liquid, the oil of the garlic is go out. So if you rub all around very well, just the bowl start to have the taste of garlic. It's like when you rub on the piece of bread, it's the same. So you leave like this, and then you can put your tomato salad or a green salad, a soup or spaghetti, pasta, as you like. You will see it's come out very good. Now another tip. This tip belongs to our grandmothers, how they used to make. You take some milk, put nearly to boil. Must be very, very hot by the time you peel the garlic. This is why we put in the milk, because the milk absorbs the taste of the garlic, is absorbed, so it's more digestible when you use the garlic. So the milk is near to boil, okay. You can take out the internal sprout later, after you put in the milk. Has to stay in the milk around 15-20 minutes. Once finished the 15-20 minutes, you take out the garlic. You dry with a piece of paper or with a cloth, and you cook as you like. So now it's hot, and put inside. As I told you before, this recipe belongs to the past years when the grandmothers used to make like this. So it's not my tip, it's grandmother's tip. So now we finish, and remember, now you have idea how to use the garlic, and you can use more easier because you know that you have the recipe to make more digestible.